Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Have I got a rare one for you? 2014 Grand Cherokee Limited EcoDiesel. That's right, that's got that 3.0 liter V6 EcoDiesel under the hood. Great miles. Only 77,000 miles on it, 2 owners, no accidents, clear Carfax. Great maintenance on it. It's got the luxury group too, so it's got the big sunroof, heated and cooled front seats, heated back seats, factory navigation, remote start, pedal shifters, push button start, power seats on both sides, you name it. The alloy wheels, we just put brand new tires on it, just changed the oil on it. Has the power lift gate, factory tow package. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. We're also going to give you a warranty that covers it until it's 10 years old or has 200,000 miles from new. Man, this is a beauty. Seated Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Just hear how quiet that diesel is. Hard find, don't let it get away.